Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives using an app called RAR on your Blackview BL6000 Pro 5G. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our app and from here locate our folder with the files that we want to pack. Mine is in DCIM and then camera. Here I can find 3 pictures that I'm gonna pack into a RAR file. Now select all the files that you want to pack and click on this plus button. From here you can customize your archiving options. First thing is to choose the name for this archive, and for me it's gonna be pictures. Next is to choose your extension for the file, and here you can pick it to be RAR zip or RAR 4.x. I'm going with normal RAR one. Here you can set the password for this archive if you want to protect it, but it's optional. You can click show password in order to see it if you're not sure that you typed it incorrectly, and encrypt the file names as well. Click OK to save that. And next we have few options. There's delete files after archiving and create solid archives. Now let's move to advanced, and here you can see more settings. In the options you can see more options, and in the comments you can leave any comment about this archive. After everything is set, click OK, and that way you'll start packing the files, and here's the pictures that RAR. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.